Hey guys, how's it going? P Series PBX Software Edition is officially released. We can install it on a virtual machine or a physical machine. In this video, we'll introduce how to install P Series PBX Software Edition on a virtual machine of Microsoft Windows environment using Hyper-V. First of all, we offer 30-day trial license for free with no payment upfront. You can go to our website, yeastar.com, to find the application page. Fill in the required information and submit it. Then you will be directed to Yeastar panel portal. Through this portal, you can continue to activate the P Series PBX Software Edition, so you can set up and log in. By the way, this is a portal especially for our partners. Here we can view all PBXs we have and manage them. And of course, we can place new orders and find exclusive materials for our customers. Okay, now let's just go to P Series SE license and find the PBX we have just applied. Click here to obtain the activation code. We can use it to activate our system after installation in the configuration wizard on our interface. Now we need to make sure that the PC must match the following requirements. Then we need to create a virtual machine on our PC using Hyper-V. Before we start the work here, we need to check the Hyper-V. It's of 10.0.17134.1 or later. In the meanwhile, we should check if we have sufficient hardware resource to spare in our PC for the P Series PBX Software Edition. Please check this form here. Alright, now that we have confirmed everything, we can start the deployment. Firstly, we should enable Hyper-V on the PC. To do that, we should click on the Windows Start button and choose Apps and Features. Then click on Programs and Features. Now in the left side bar of the pop-up window, we'll find Turn Windows Features on and off. Here we will see a list of all features available for us to switch on and off. Let's find Hyper-V here and click on OK. Then we can restart the PC and continue. Now that we have already enabled Hyper-V on our PC, we can start to create a virtual switch for network connection of the P Series PBX Software Edition. First, we click on Windows Start button, and in Windows Administrator Tools, go to Hyper-V Manager. Then we click on Action and find Virtual Switch Manager. Here we click on New Virtual Network Switch. Then in the right side of this page, choose External as for we create this switch for external connection. Then let's just click on Create Virtual Switch. Now we need to do some further settings for it. In the name field, we can name this switch. Then in Connection Type, select External Network. And then in the drop-down list, assign an available physical network card on the PC to this switch. Once we're done, click Apply and choose Yes to confirm our settings and click on OK to move on. For step 3, we can create a virtual machine. On Hyper-V Manager, we go to Action and in New, select Virtual Machine. We can follow the new virtual machine wizard to finish the configuration. We can start and specify the name and location for the virtual machine. Then move to the next step. Then we choose the generation of the virtual machine. Here we choose Generation 1. For the next step, we assign memory for this virtual machine. In this step, we enable Use Dynamic Memory for this virtual machine. Once we're finished, click Next to go to the next step. In Configuration Networking, we need to choose the virtual switch that we just created in the previous settings. Then we can connect virtual hard disk. Here we specify a name, location, and size of disk. Please remember that the size of the disk here must match the requirement in previous form. When finished, we click on Next. In Installation Options, we choose Instant and Operating System from boot table CD and DVD-ROM. And in Image File, we select the install image of P Series Software Edition that we prepared in the PC. When we're done, click on Finish. For the last step, it's suggested to check if there's only one hard disk involved in the virtual machine in order to avoid installation error. To realize that, we can right-click on the virtual machine we created, then choose Settings and find Hard Drive to do the final check. With everything settled, we can start install Yeastar P Series software edition. We support both auto-install and manual install. To auto-install the P Series software edition, we can right-click the virtual machine and click on Start. Then we right-click the virtual machine and connect the virtual machine. Then, in the pop-up window, wait till the installation process is not running, then press Enter. If IPPBX login is displayed and no errors like wait for basic SRV run OK occur, it indicates that P Series software edition is installed. If we prefer to install the P Series PBX software edition manually, we still right-click on the virtual machine, then choose Start and Connect. But in the pop-up window, we select Continue without updating. Then we can go to Custom Storage Layout and click on Done. Then in Available Devices, we choose the local disk and then select Add GPT Partition. After this, in the pop-up window, we can configure the newly added partition as needed. But note that we need to follow the requirements in this form for the new partition. When we finish adding new partition, click on Done. In the pop-up dialog box, select Continue to start the installation. The P Series PBX software edition will be deployed. Wait till the installation process is not running, then press Enter. When it's finished, we will see IPPBX login. Now, we can change the default IP address of this PBX before we access it. Here at the IPPBX login prompt, put in support and press Enter. Then a password prompt. Type QHCYAXSGCYWYMG2022 and press Enter. Now we're in the Ubuntu system information. Here we put in 1 and press Enter to update network configuration. We can follow the prompt to put in our new IP address, netmask, and gateway. Then press Enter. When everything's done, open a web browser and put in the new IP address. Now we're in the login interface. It means that the installation is correctly done. Alright, that was how we install the P Series software edition with Hyper-V. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about Yeastar P Series PBX system, please visit yeastar.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more details. I'll catch you guys in the next one.